soil health. This is what is so important today.
Soil health is critically important for American agriculture and rural communities.
Kiss the Ground, an extraordinary film that opened my eyes to much of what I was only dimly aware. Our fourth witness is Mr. Rick Clark, and he is testifying on behalf of Regenerate America.
My name is Rick Clark. I'm a fifth-generation farmer from West Central Indiana, and we farm about 7,000 acres of row crops. This is urgent, and it's critical that we have bipartisan action on the topic at hand today. The witnesses here today do not represent the diversity of regenerative farmers and ranchers. We are especially missing voices of indigenous leaders and farmers of color. American farmers are the most productive in the world, but we have to acknowledge the condition our soils are in. 5.6 tons per acre per year of soil are leaving our fields. Adopting soil health practices can slow down and reverse the degradation of soil. Regenerative agriculture can be incorporated into any farming operation and be far better for your bottom line. After decades of heavy tillage on our farm, a 1-inch rain event created so much erosion on our farm, I knew it was time to do something different. Like thousands of farmers, I started cover cropping through Equip. On our farm, we have currently reduced diesel fuel consumption by 50%, chemistry and fertility by 100%, and based on regional input spending averages, we are saving $1,957,000 annually. We had yields that were increasing year over year, and our stability within the system had gone from a yield variance of 30 bushels in corn to less than 5. My soils have water infiltration rates of 20 inches per hour, and the neighbors have an infiltration rate of 1/2 inch of rain per hour. Our farm is more resilient against flood and drought. We are more resilient to supply disruptions, and we have a systematic approach that will be economically profitable and viable for generations to come. So, how do we get there? We need to follow the 6 principles of soil health. 1, context. 2, minimize disturbance. 3, maximize diversity. 4, living roots. 5, armor the soil. 6, animal integration. I am far down this path, but any farm can start, and note, it doesn't have to be organic. On behalf of Regenerate America Coalition, we are pushing to ensure the next Farm Bill robustly supports regenerative ag.
Members of the committee, if you're looking for an agricultural method that increases farm profitability, is regenerative, better for the environment, and produces healthier food for Americans, then all you need to do is look beneath your feet.
Thank you. You have really opened our eyes to what we need to certainly address. And Mr. Finnegan Makepeace did an extraordinary job, an extraordinary message about the urgency, the need for us to kiss the ground.